All right, today is Monday, March 26th. At the Sorry store now, as you can see, and then again, I'm always here. Today seemed like it was pretty busy with sales. It's right around, I don't know, like 4:30, somewhere around there. It seemed like there was a lot of people stopping in, different people's faces I haven't seen before. You know, I think with the Holy Week, a lot of people will travel, you know, to the provinces. People come in from out of town, spend time with their family. Plus you have schools out. I don't think there's any college going on this week because of the Holy Week. So I think there's just been a lot more people, like I said, stopping in today, Monday. I mean, that's a good thing. And Lut is taking her afternoon nap, as you can see. Her and Liberty, and they're fighting over that orange bag. Lut uses that to as a pillow, but she's not using that. Liberty uses it as her little bed, so they've been fighting over this orange pillow. But anyways, I'm sitting here, and I can start hearing you know, the Pabasas being read and people singing and stuff like that down the road. So I'm gonna head down there a little bit later on after I drink my cup of coffee, and we'll check that out. So that's what I'm going to do this evening. Go down there and check it out. Alright guys, so it has begun. I think one of you guys, one of the subscribers, left a comment about the Pabasa stations. I think they said there's supposed to be 10. Somebody else put another number out there. I'm not really sure how many stations that they're supposed to have, but supposedly they represent the you know, when Christ fell with the cross, and how many times he fell, and that represents how many Pabasa stations there are. But yeah, it started, and it's very busy. A lot of people. Alright guys, here's the church I was at yesterday. There's also Pabasa station set up right here, as you can see. We got everything going on. See if we can find out where they're singing from, right there. Hello! Yeah, right there's where they're doing the singing, right here. Hello kids! He wants to be on video.
Hey, hello.
Hello, hello. So evidently they changed up the route. They're not going down our street now, but this is just right down the road, right on the corner where we're at. And evidently they go and they follow the path of these flags you see flying here, the blue and the purple, and then the Pabasa stations are, you know, scattered down the road. So here's the other station we were at yesterday, right near the basketball court.
Yenina nung matinaya, yenina nung matinaya, ilading lakwananana.
Habait na niyan sibol, kedi-ike kang maglulus. Ingit palagi mo, Jesus, antikiyang manatbus, manyawul.
All right, so I've counted 4 so far. I'm gonna walk the route where I see the flags hanging. Alud also told me that this is only done like in your local community. Like they don't jump communities, from what she told me. So the people that are participating in Pabasa and over here where we're at in the Homesite area, it's just the people that live in the Homesite area that are participating in this. I didn't know that, but she informed me of that. So, but anyways, that was number 4. I'm gonna keep walking and see how many I can actually count. Hello. All right, so I only counted 6. I'm gonna try to wander around. Maybe I can find more, but I kind of walked where the flags were and where they started and where I quit seeing them. And like I said, I only counted 6. So maybe it is just 6, or I don't know, maybe bigger areas have more, but I counted 6. But let's keep on walking around. Maybe there's more. All right, I'm back up at 4 points again. Do some filming here for a little bit. It's always busy. Look at water's been sitting right there in that ditch. Let me see. Been sitting right there for a couple weeks now. I don't know if there's a water line break under there or what's going on. The whole intersection is soaking wet. But yeah, I'm back at 4 points. There's the CC Grill. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to come up here and get some CC later on. There's the CC Grill. Always busy at 4 points. All right, so I never walked this area before. I actually came, hello, I actually came from that area and loops around. I think it comes out down at the bottom of the end here where all the Pabasa stations are set up. But like I said, never walked this area. It's quiet in this area. Sort of like the outer edge. A lot of construction going on back in here. Yeah, this loops around to where the street where all the Pabasa stations are set up. So we'll take a walk, show you all the activity that's going on tonight here, this evening here. Yeah, so here's where the flags start. And I followed the flag route. I only counted 6. I've walked around now this whole area. Well, not the whole area, but the area where the Pabasa stations are set up, and I only counted 6, so I'm going to say there's only 6 here. Chicken stand set up, selling chicken, fried chicken. Basketball court. Here's a party here. Hello.
Where have you been, sir? Sir, what's that? Documentary?
Oh.
Documentary?
Yes. Documentary for Holy Week.
Ah, for the whole week.
Yeah, for the Holy Week. What's Holy Week to you?
Whole week for me is very important. Then, very meaningful also. Yeah.
Do you do anything special during Holy Week?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Feeding some children.
Feed some children?
Yeah, for free.
For free. Eat a lot of food?
Not too.
Not too much? Spend time with your family?
Yeah.
That's it, huh?
Go to church.
Go to church?
Pray.
Pray, yeah?
No.
Thank you.
You want to interview my parent?
You interview him?
Tell me
What does Holy Week mean to you?
Nothing.
Nothing? Oh, you're kidding. Nothing?
He doesn't know how to speak English.
Oh, he knows. Oh, you set me up.
Yeah.
You set me up. How about them? Could I ask them?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sure.
What does Holy Week mean? They're shy. What does Holy Week mean? They're too shy. How about you? No, he runs too. All right, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, you.
No, I can't play pool. Hey, what does Holy Week mean to you? You don't know? You don't speak English? No English? You speak English? No? Oh, all right. Everybody waves and smiles and says hello, but they get shy. You know, I think, you know what it is? A lot of Filipinos know English, but they get shy when they want to speak it because they don't want to feel or sound foolish when they're speaking it. Hello. You speak English?
Yes, sir.
What does Holy Week mean to you?
I don't celebrate Holy Week.
You don't celebrate Holy Week? Why not?
I'm Iglesia de Cristo.
Okay. That's good enough for me. But you don't believe in Easter? Does Iglesias, they don't believe Easter? I don't know. Okay. Thank you. That's big. That's a big religion here too. Iglesias is Christian or something like, I forget how you say it, but there's a lot of churches here. So yeah, he doesn't participate because he's. I think it's mostly Catholic when it comes to the Holy Week. I mean, Christians do believe in the death of Christ and the resurrection, but I don't know about other religions. Hello. All right, so I was told 6 at first, and then the lady down the street here, she didn't want to be on camera. She told me there's actually 7. one street over, but all the way back in the street there's another Pabasa. So maybe I'll go on the hunt for that one tomorrow. It's starting to get dark. I'm going to head back up to the Sorry store and go get me some of that sisig up there from the sisig girl. But anyways, I hope you're enjoying this. Tomorrow's another day, and I think we're going to go up to Bonbon. We were there last year. The Lourdes, Lady of the Grotto of Lourdes or something like that. It's where you got to walk up all these steps to get up to the top. But sometime this week we're going to head up there. It'll probably be in the morning when it's cooler out. But anyways, guys, I hope you continue to watch, and this journey continues and Holy Week continues.